there to recreate this green look, this winged eyeliner green look. Oh my god, I just love recreating this. And I'm really excited to bring this content for you guys. So if you like makeup videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. It's really important. And follow me on my blog as well. I have a new post there, so I'll link everything down below on the description box. And follow me on my Instagram as well, it's really important. And I'm always there, so so let's get started. So I've already primed my lid with concealer, as I always do. And today I'm going to use the Jim Charles palette. And for today's look, just a minute, because this is a mess, guys. This is a mess right here. I'm going to use today Jim Charles palette, as I said, and I'm going to use this one here, this really pretty blue here. I'm going to use green, and that's it. No, and I'm going to use this gold color right here. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, and I couldn't wait to test it out, to test this color out. So first of all, with a fluffy brush, I'm going to pack yellow on my crease. And bring this color up. Bring this color and pack, repack, because yellows can sometimes be a little tricky. Because it's a light color, so sometimes bring this color up. I'm going to take an angled brush, just like this, and I'm going to pack the green color right on my crease, and then we're going to blend it out. So we're going to do, whoopsies, we're going to do just like this. I forgot to say, for this look we need to wear tape. And as I was saying, pack the green color right on the tape, and then on the inner corner, just like this. Okay, it's really important because these colors can be a little tricky, ones above others. So, and now with another angled brush, we're going to pack the blue color right on the top of the green, so, but just on the center of your lid. So just like this, as you can see, it has the green color, it has the blue color, and then you can repack a little more green with a pencil brush. We're going to pack the green and the blue together on the inner and outer corner. And the blue as well. And now we're going to do the cut crease. So I'm going to use this one because I just love this one. Lancome by Tentidol. Tentidol by Lancome. You understood. So, and we're going to just pack a little bit. just like this. And now for the goldish color. Going to, just like this. And now we're going to pick green under the lash line, on the inner and outer corner, and with blue as well, inner and outer corner. Just like this. And now the goldish color right here. And now for the winged eyeliner, what we're going to do, we're going to pack the blue color right on the lash line, right here on the end of your lash line. And then we're going to be really careful with this winged liner. Oh my god, it looks beautiful. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. And now we're finished, we're just finished. Going to just, nice, nice. Just like this. Oh my god, I just love it so much. But so much. Oh my god, I just love it. Mascara time. I'm going to use this Grandiose one by Lancome, that you know that I love. And let's apply up lashes and down lashes. And we're finished, guys, we're finished. For lipstick, I just used this one by Kiko Milano. It's a really good nude. It's a beautiful nude. And yeah, that's finished. We're finished. If you like this awesome tutorial, I just love this tutorial so much, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow me on my blog as well. I will let everything down below, and yeah, I'll see you next video.